The Brahmani kite, Haliaster indus, is a widespread and easily identifiable bird of prey across India, holding both ecological and cultural significance. Commonly seen in coastal and inland wetland areas, as well as agricultural and even urban environments near water, this medium-sized kite boasts a striking adult plumage of rich chestnut brown, body contrasting with a bright white head and breast. Juvenile birds exhibit a browner, streaked appearance before attaining their characteristic adult colors. Their diet in India is varied, consisting mainly of dead fish and crabs, highlighting their role as scavengers in aquatic ecosystems, but they also actively hunt live prey like frogs, lizards, and insects. The breeding season typically occurs between December and April, during which they construct untidy stick nests in trees near water, with both parents involved in raising their typically 2 whitish eggs. Notably, the Brahmani kite holds cultural importance in India, often considered the modern representation of Garuda, the sacred mount of Lord Vishnu. While currently listed as least concern globally, populations are reportedly declining in some areas within the subcontinent due to habitat loss and other threats, underscoring the need for continued monitoring and conservation efforts to protect this iconic bird of the Indian landscape.